Welcome! In front of me I have Motorola Moto E22 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this phone by using the system settings. First we need to open the settings on our phone, and you can do it by swiping up on the home screen to open the app menu, then scroll down, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the option called the system and tap on it, and here select the option called reset options. Then tap on erase all data, then tap on erase all data button and tap on it again to confirm. If you have the screen lock protection enabled on your phone, you will need to enter the PIN, password or pattern to confirm. And once you tap on erase all data, the factory reset will start and you need to wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the welcome screen on your phone, this means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.